really good other stuff. Hubcap. Reverse hubcap up the drop knee. Stomping on top of that rodeo. Great shove across the wave. Going for a rodeo in the flats all the way across the wave. Still halfway in his run and he keeps going down. Big tricks like that. 10 seconds left. Out of nowhere, Apocalypse up the drop knee. Big spin winding down, and that'll be time for Daniel's first run. Throwing